Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. This is post stitch flower. So let's get started. I am using a 5mm crochet hook for my project and this 3-ply yarn. You can use any type of crochet hook or yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around the fingers like this and make a magic ring or magic circle. And now we would work into this ring. So make chain 1 and then chain 2. We would not count these chain 2 as any stitch. And now we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through 2 and then pull the yarn through 2. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 2 into the magic ring, then double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, double crochet 10, 11 and then double crochet 12. So in this way, in the first round we would make total of 12 double crochets on the magic ring and then pull the starting yarn strand to close this magic ring. After that, go into the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch into it. So now our first round is completed and now we would start our second round. So make chain 1 and then chain 2 again for the second round and go into this first double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. After that, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go from the front to the back and then from this double crochet stitch to the front again and then draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our post stitch. Now go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. Now into the same stitch, go from the back to front, front to back and then back to front and make a double crochet in it. So this is our front post double crochet stitch again. Now into the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet and then into the same double crochet stitch, make a front post double crochet stitch. Then into the next one, make a double crochet and make a front post double crochet into the same double crochet stitch. So in this way, make double crochet and front double crochet in the same double crochet stitch and complete this round. So I have made all double crochet stitches and front post. Now go into the first double crochet stitch of the second round and make a slip stitch into it. Now our second round is completed. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. Go into this same double crochet stitch where we have made a slip stitch and make a double crochet in it. Then go into the front post double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. Then into the same front post, go from front to back and then back to front and make a front post double crochet stitch in it. Then go into the next double crochet stitch after this front post and make a double crochet in it. Then go into the next front post stitch and make a double crochet in it. And then into the same front post stitch, make a front post double crochet again. Go into the next stitch and make a double crochet in it. Then a double crochet in the front post stitch and then into the same front post stitch, make a front post double crochet. So now in the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet, then make a double crochet into the front post stitch and after that go into the same front post and make a front post double crochet in it again. So repeat the process till the end of second round and complete this third round. So I have made all double crochet and front post stitches. Now go into the first double crochet stitch of this round and make a slip stitch into it. So our third round is also completed. Now we would work into this front post stitch. So skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into this front post and make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, then double crochet 6, and last one is double crochet 7. So make 7 double crochets in the front post stitch, skip 2 double crochet stitches, and in the third front post stitch make a single crochet, then go into the next front post stitch and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and then last one is double crochet 7. And after 7 double crochets, go into this next front post stitch and make a single crochet in it. So in this way make the last round. So I have made all 7 double crochet stitch shells. Now go into the next front post stitch, which is the last front post stitch of the previous round, and make a single crochet in it. After that make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch of first shell and pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end at the back side of flower with the help of a yarn needle or crochet hook. So I am using a yarn needle to weave this yarn end. So I have woven this yarn end. Now cut these both extra yarn strands and our flower is ready. You can use this flower on different projects. So you can use it on fabric shirts also if you want. So I hope you like this video. So give it big thumbs up and do share this video and do subscribe to my channel also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.